California's foster youth deserve our support as they age into adulthood. Unfortunately, 70% of California's current and former foster youth are living in deep poverty and are at high risk for homelessness. Tax credits are one way to reduce poverty. They help working Californians pay their bills and stay on track with their housing and education. The Foster Youth Tax Credit is a new credit available to current and former foster and probation youth. Eligible tax filers can receive up to $1,000 cash back by claiming this. California has nearly 80,000 young adults ages 18 to 25 who were in foster care. Many will file their own taxes and are also working Californians who may qualify for the California Earned Income Tax Credit and the Foster Youth Tax Credits. This is the first year of the credit, and we hope that as many eligible Californians take advantage of this credit as possible. There are free services like the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program through the U.S. Department of the Treasury or myfreetaxes.org from the United Ways of California. We have created a simple video showing how to claim this credit, which you can watch at the following link. This new credit has the opportunity to make a huge difference in the lives of California's foster youth and to set them on a path for success. Make sure you claim the Foster Youth Tax Credit this year when filing your taxes and join the 1,000 current and former foster youth who have already received $1 million so far this year.